What's up, guys? Today is the 28th of February 2026. I'm going to show you my Windows setup and some updates that I have and how to achieve them. Now, if you can see, my desktop is plain clean with a search widget here that I can use to search for things on my laptop and on the internet. And this is the sweetest part, this section. Yes, if you want to get this, you don't need to install any software. It's the same thing you have on your Windows system. All you need to do is follow my steps and you get it. So it's more like looking like iPhone. You can open any of this app directly like this. You can see my VS Code is opened. Then you can, let me close it. Then you can open a folder like this folder here. This is another folder. You can see folders again. You can click here again and you see some set of apps. So you can see the smooth animation that is going there. The thing is, all you need to do to have this, you need to update your Windows. I don't know if you're using the same Windows version I'm using, but let me show you. You come to Windows update. No, sorry, you come to system information. I think that's where you get that from. Then you go down and you look about PC. So you can see I'm actually using Windows 11 Pro, and I'm using the 25H2. This is the model number, the experience number. Make sure you have updated to this level. I did the update 3 days ago, and this is what I got out of it. So it's more something if you want to achieve the same thing you want to do, it's simple. All you need to do is you go to your Windows. If you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, if you're using Windows 11, you can only achieve this in Windows 11. But if you're using Windows 10, you can still do the same thing to upgrade to 11. You now come down here and click on this button. Check for update. It's going to show an update. Install it. You can see mine update was checked around 11 a.m. this morning, and this is 12 p.m. currently. So that is how you get the update, and you're going to achieve this. And if you probably updated and you have the same version, you're not seeing it, all you need to do is when you press the window button, you get this timeline. Before, it used to be something like this, or list. It used to be list. Yeah, it used to be like this. So all you need to do is click on the list, make it categories, and you achieve this. Now the second app is this one. You get it by default. Update your Microsoft Edge. This is Microsoft Edge. I'm going to show you how it works. So you go to let me go to profile. Yeah, so this is how it works. So all you need to do is come here. You click on, as soon as you update your Microsoft, I'm trying to look for the shortcuts to get to it, but as soon as you update your Microsoft, you see it has disappeared to come now. So see, this is it. So as soon as you update your Microsoft Edge on your laptop, if you don't know how to update it, go to Window. Let me see. You go to Microsoft Edge Store, Microsoft Store. Then look for Microsoft Edge. Update it. As soon as you update it, it's going to prompt you that you want to leave a widget at the desktop. You said yes, you approve it, and you have this. Now, normally you're supposed to see my desktop icon and all that. Yes, I actually hid it. So all you need to do is right click on your screen. Click on, currently is on hide. That's why you can see these are my desktop icon. But if you want to make it hidden, right click on your screen. On that view, you come down, you see show image. It's actually ticked, so you unticked it by clicking on it and it will disappear, so you don't have any icon in your desktop. So that is how I achieve these settings. If this was informative, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have a question, maybe you're missing the steps, because I don't want the video to be longer than 5 minutes, and it's already 5 minutes, just leave a comment below. I'm going to address it to you. Thank you for watching. Bye.